Ladies and gentlemen, the new Porsche Panamera.
女士们、先生们，全新保时捷 Panamera。
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the director X.
Hello and good evening. A truly golden moment. I don't think Oliver Blume promised too much. Since its introduction in 2009, the Panamera has been a huge success. Like no other car, the Panamera combines different characters. The formal appearance of a sporty coupe, the luxurious character of a saloon, and the functionality that is untypical for a true sports car. The Panamera continues to be the sports car in its segment. In the most typical way, we have continued to refine the car over the last 40 years. As a result, the new Panamera is not a revolution, but a sophisticated evolution. When we look at it, we see the consistent development of our brand and product identity, the unique Panamera identity. The new design is stronger than even before, focused on intelligent combination of modern luxury and uncompromising sportiness. At first sight, the new Panamera is recognized as a true member of the Porsche product family. We kept the brand's iconic identity. The attractive width-to-height ratio characterizes the overall sporting appearance. The design is defined, refined, and beautifully modernized in its appearance. The new front stands strong and proud, supported by pronounced fenders and more upright headlights design. This, combined with a focused, unique 4-point signature light graphic, is both attractive and highly technical in its execution. The new Panamera ensures a strong visual presence. In the side view, the new side window graphic is one of our most important design elements. The new shape, the rear reinforce the saloon character in its flanks, whilst keeping it typically Porsche. At the rear, we further developed the continuous light bow, which is an elemental part of the Porsche design language. Adding to the overall width of the car, the rear is just clean, reduced, and precise in its detail. We have further focused the interior of the new Panamera towards to the driver. A clear design combined with luxurious materials creates a high-quality sporting ambience. The innovative decor concept extends from the center console to the dashboard and seamlessly into the doors. Combined with a steeply rising center console, it is one of the most present features of the new Panamera cockpit. For the first time, we have implemented continuous ambient lighting along the entire front section, emphasizing space. More than ever, the focus is on the driver axis. The principles of the Porsche driving experience are the basis for its new design, consistently geared to the needs of a sports car driver. All controls relevant to the driver are located close to the steering wheel. This allows the driver to quickly and intuitively access all elementary functions. As a result, handling the new Panamera is even easier and more comfortable in all driving situations, but especially when driving dynamically. Another highlight is the freestanding instrument cluster. For the first time, it is designed in a display in a curved optic that offers 7 different views to choose from. As a result, and typical Porsche, we have a perfect balance between analog and digital controls. Also brand new at Porsche and now available for the first time on the Panamera is the new turbo differentiation. For almost 50 years, the turbo models have enjoyed an exceptional position. To emphasize their uniqueness, we have now refined the look even further. All turbo models will now come with an exclusive version of the modernized Porsche crest. Turbo Night, a new color from Porsche, will be used on selected areas of the interior and the exterior of our new Panamera, reinforcing the model identity of a turbo. The new turbo differentiation makes the look of the turbo models even more distinctive.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Porsche Panamera Turbo Sonderwunsch.
女士们、先生们，保时捷 Panamera Turbo Sonderwunsch。
The Panamera Turbo Sonderwunsch, an absolute one-off. You won't find another one like this here. And it shows how detailed and comprehensive the Porsche exclusive manufacturer is implementing the Sonderwunsch program. Take a look at the paintwork, for example. Le Blanc Violet Metallic, a chestnut color with a violet note fading to black. And completely covered real gold flakes, creating an impression of depth. We dream it and we build it. This is how it could look like. But now, only from the outside. The interior is not yet something we can share for good reason, because this is a co-creation project that we are just starting here today. Some selected Porsche enthusiasts will have the unique opportunity to create the matching interior together with our designers. Now, I'd like to invite you to discover this one of a kind of masterpiece, and let's ask ourselves the question, how would we finish off this dream? Thank you for being our guest tonight, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you very much.
Sportiness and driving comfort. Two opposites that Porsche combines perfectly in the new Panamera with Porsche Active Ride. The active chassis enables smooth rolling, good isolation, and a quiet body, and, at the same time, a precise driving experience and complete leveling with optimum wheel load distribution. The feeling of comfort is particularly noticeable on bumps, which are optimally filtered by isolation and body control. An evolutionary step forward in terms of stability and driving performance. A significant difference to the already very good predecessor model. By combining a single-chamber air spring with a dual-valve damper including a motor pump unit, any force can be applied to each damper individually and independently of the direction of movement. The data measured by sensors on vertical acceleration, suspension travel, longitudinal and lateral accelerations, and turning rates form the foundation of the Porsche Active Ride control system. Whether during braking, acceleration, or in launch control start, Porsche Active Ride compensates for movements in milliseconds. Virtually no pitching or rolling movements are noticeable. Even beyond the limits, the dynamic wheel load distribution ensures the desired driving behavior, adapted to the respective driving mode. An optimum interplay of stability and agility thanks to permanently adapted grip of the wheels. The Sport Plus mode is given the dynamic ground clearance function. The vehicle level is dynamically adjusted, and the vehicle's center of gravity is lowered. The result? Less wheel load fluctuation, more camber on the wheels, and consequently more grip. The motor pump unit draws its energy from a 400-volt battery, which is available in the hybrid vehicles. This ensures that there is always enough power available for the chassis. Beyond the functions included in the Porsche Active Ride by default, further Porsche Ride functions can be activated. For example, active pitch control, which counteracts the forces on passengers. Pitching against the direction of motion is initiated during acceleration and braking. Another function is active tilt control, which causes the vehicle to lean towards the center of the bend, thus reducing lateral forces on passengers. The result? Optimum handling in every situation.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.